What if I told you that this Darkrai GX Secret Rainbow Rare from the Sun and Moon Burning Shadows set that you can actually grab on TCG Player or eBay for $25 is actually worth $662 on a PSA 10? Would you believe me? Well, today we're gonna be looking into the Rainbow Rares from the Sun and Moon era to see which one are the most undervalued cards that you can actually grab and have the best multiplier. So stay tuned for the video and let's see which one are the most undervalued Rainbow Rare. Welcome all the trainers out there collecting, playing and interested in the Pokémon TCG board. So today we're gonna get started with Tapu Polo GX Rainbow Rare, and currently this card is around $8 raw on TCG Player or maybe eBay, but on a PSA 10 it can be around $130. So this card have a great multiplier, x13 almost. It's important to note that the world of Pokémon is divided into various categories, including the anime, the video games, and the TCG. However, what sets Tapu Polo apart is its fascinating backstory that it holds both in the game and in the anime. All the Tapu Pokémon cover an incredible story in the game, where they are represented in the 4 islands of Alola region, and in the anime they are like ancient guardians of the land. So this makes them very captivating and intriguing. But let's talk more about the card itself. I think the card looks very beautiful, and the rainbow pattern really enhances the overall appeal, making it a great value to add to your collection. And if you can manage to get one and get it into a PSA 10, then absolutely great value to your collection. So moving on into the second card, we have Necrosma GX Secret Rare, Rainbow Rare. This card is currently available for around $10 as well, but if you manage to find a gem and get it graded into a PSA 10, the value will skyrocket to a massive $250. Important to note, the ability to add significant value to your collection by finding and grading undervalued cards is one of the most exciting aspects of the TCG world. However, Necrosma GX is also a very beautiful card, and it also has some background in the history of the Pokémon universe. Necrosma is a crucial part of the anime and the main game. Its mysterious nature and unique ability have captured the attention of many Pokémon enthusiasts worldwide, making it an additional value to the card itself. So watch out and keep an eye on Necrosma GX, because if you are hunting for undervalued rainbow cards to get it great, this one have a great multiplier. Now let's talk about the third card on our list. We have the Alola Mug Rainbow Rare. This card is currently around $8 to $10 as well in TCG Player and eBay. And if you can manage to get the gem and get it great into a PSA 10, it's like the same thing as the previous card. You will get automatically value to your collection. But Alola Mug have more to offer than the monetary value itself. This card is a fantastic addition to the collection of anyone who collects Pokemon from the first generation, because this one is a regional form. So if you are a fan of Mug, or if you are a fan of Pokemon from the first generation, this one is a complementary to your collection as well. So yeah, moving on, we have from the same set, of course, Noiver GX Secret. This card can be obtained, also can be purchased for $9 to $10, and if you manage to get it on a PSA 10, it's going to be around $90. So basically it's a X10 card. If you're a fan of Noiver and you have the money to purchase the PSA already, it's good because you don't have to be hunting and looking at pictures and risking, but this is a low risk hunting card. So yeah, if you manage to get it great on a PSA 10, congratulations. If you have the money to buy it on a PSA 10, congratulations as well. Me personally, this card is one of my chase cards because I collect all the Pokemon that Ash / Satoshi has catch. So yeah, this one is one that I'm looking forward to get great and to hunt and get great. So this one has a lot of value. So as I mentioned before, Noiver was part of the Ash theme, and it was one of the Ash Pokemon, so this one has some background history in the universe of Pokemon itself. Who doesn't like Machamp? This Pokemon is a fan favorite, so this card is priced around $20. raw on TCG Player or eBay, and if you can manage to get it great into a PSA 10, it's going to be around $180. So as you can see, it has a great multiplier, and the jump in value is significant, making it a highly desirable card for collectors and players alike. Why not? But Machamp GX have more to offer than the potential monetary value. This Pokemon is a fan favorite from the first generation. Machamp holds a special place in the heart of many fans and many players from the first generation. So the strength, the power, everything, the Pokemon itself, it looks amazing, the card looks amazing, and for a $20 card, I think it's a very undervalued Rainbow Rare. Moving on, we have the next card is going to be Gardevoir GX Rainbow Rare. So Gardevoir is a beloved Pokemon that have captured the hearts of many fans, often being referred as Waifu. So this is a fan favorite Pokemon, and this is one of the most played Pokemon in the world. In the video game, it's a favorite. In people collect Gardevoir, people dress like Gardevoir. Like Gardevoir right now is dominating the meta in the TCG, and this is one of the first, not to say the first Rainbow Rare that Gardevoir had. It have few others, but this is, if I'm not mistaken, the first one, and you can grab it for just $60 raw. If you can manage to get into a PSA 10, it's going to be around 120. The jump in value here is not that significant, but this is a nice card, and I think it's an undervalued card because with the time, when you are a Gardevoir collector, you can see that you can have, you can show that you have the first Rainbow Rare Gardevoir ever made in the history of Pokemon TCG. So I think this is a nice value. So moving on to the last card, it's going to be Darkrai GX Secret Rainbow Rare. The reason why you guys click on this video and on TCG Player and eBay is around $25, but on a PSA 10, the last sold is $662. The increase in value is insane. The multiplier for this card is also insane. And I guess the reason why this card is so expensive on a PSA 10 might be the population, and also because this is the only Darkrai Rainbow card in English. There is another card, Rainbow, for Darkrai in Japanese with Umbreon, but this card never made it into English, so that might be the reason why this card is so expensive in English, right? So I think this is a nice hunt to do. I mean, if you can get it into a PSA 10, it's going to add some value absolutely to your collection. And I think also, considering the fact that it's the only Rainbow Rare that Darkrai has, it also will add value to your collection if you can add it raw anyway. And it's very cheap. I mean, $25 is not that expensive compared to the prices of other cards right now, like tag team cards and stuff like that. Also, like, it's also important to notice that Darkrai have some background in the anime and also in the video games. This is a fun, kind of like a fan favorite Pokemon. It also have some mysterious kind of like side. So yeah, we remember how Darkrai won the finals with Tobias against Ash in the Sinnoh season. So yeah, Darkrai have some background, is some kind of a fan favorite Pokemon for some people. Some people collect Darkrai, so I guess that's the reason why this card is so rare. There is an extra card, an extra bonus card I want to talk about, and you can see it goes around from $37 to $55, depending where you get it, eBay or TCG Player, and its value on a PSA 10 for $460 with a population of 99 cards. So if you can get one and make it into a 10, you will have absolutely increase in value in your card. Of course, this one is a little bit more expensive, but I'm still thinking that this one is very undervalued, especially because a lot of people like to collect Gengar and Mimikyu, and the Gengar and Mimikyu contacting is skyrocketing right now. But who was the trainer of Mimikyu? Acerola. So this trainer is related and connected to Mimikyu itself and to all ghost type Pokemon. And also with the increasing of popularity in trainer cards and waifu cards, I think this one is still under the radar. So I don't know, it's my personal opinion, it's up to you guys to make your own decisions. I'm just a random guy on the internet talking about Pokemon cards, but these are my hot takes on the Rainbow Rares and on the Burning Shadow set. Trainers. It's important to know that all the cards that we look today are from the highly sought after and expensive, super expensive set Born in Shadow. This set features one of the most expensive rainbow cards, the Charizard GX Secret, which goes for a whopping $400 raw and $3,200 on a PSA 10. This card is the first ever rainbow rare card made for Charizard. So this card represents some history. This card has some history, especially for those who are Charizard collectors, that there are many people who like to collect Charizard around them. Charizard is, like, after Pikachu, the second most popular Pokemon in the whole Pokemon history, right? So Born in Shadow have been consistently rising in price. As a result, all the cards in the set will eventually gain value. So in 1 year, when Born in Shadows gets more expensive, probably the cards inside there will get more expensive as well. This is my hot take. Remember, this is not financial advice. You guys decide what you do with your money. This is just a random guy talking about Pokemon cards on the internet. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment down below which set do you want me to look, or which Pokemon do you want me to look for. I'm thinking about doing a video about Umbreon, underrated cards, undervalued cards, or maybe some Pikachu undervalued cards. So let me know which one of the two options you think is going to be more useful for you, and I will do the research for you. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.